Remove the front bumper on a Volkswagen Golf. Next we need to remove the bonnet release lever. It's just held on by a little latch in there. Just get a screwdriver and just pull it up like so. You can see it there. So once that's up, you're just going to pull this side and this side away from the middle, and that will release this. Let's put a screwdriver between them. Let's pull sideways. That will release it. Just pull it out as so, and that's what you're pulling apart from that pin. Next, just release the top pins of the grill. You just pull them out. Just pull out. Just a little pin inside. Same side. Same thing on this side. Just pull it out. So for the inside ones, again they're just little tabs that fit in here. You may need a little screwdriver just to poke them out. Help you poke them out without damaging them, but you can just lift out usually. Let's have a quick look at those tabs at the bottom. You can see they point out a bit, and that's where you just wedge in your screwdriver, but usually they just pull straight out. That's the hole they're coming out. Looks like someone's done this before. So inside the wheel arch, towards the bumper side, you can see there's a 10mm bolt at the top, and there's some T20 torque screws at the bottom. So we need to remove these four things. So I've repeated for the other side, and that just frees off the edge of the bumper for removal. So it just separates it from the wheel arch liner. At the front of the bumper, in the corners, you see these grills. These need removing. And there's another Torx T25 behind it. As you can see, there's tabs right here. Just squeeze them down. These are the tabs you're pushing down on. Just to release. Same thing for the other side. T25. Just release that one as well. Next, there's 5 T27 bolts on the front. You can see the 2 at the top here, and 3 along the bottom. You can see your Torx key, and just remove that. With all the bolts released, the bumper should come straight off. Just grab by the corners. As square as it comes out. The key to this is on the corners. You push them directly forward, and because they're on little grooves, and that's how the bumper comes off. As you remove the bumper, there'll be still one wire left connected to the bumper for the temperature sensor. So be gentle as you remove it, and then disconnect this. Probably the easiest thing is just detach from the metal clip here. You can just twist it sideways. It'll just come off. Obviously you just push it back together to reconnect it if you wanted. Once that wiring is disconnected, that's it, and the bumper's free.